This is why you need yoga in your life. Whether you're looking for a new way to move, a moment of peace, or a total lifestyle upgrade, yoga has something for everyone. It's not just about stretching or holding poses. It's about connecting your mind, body, and breath in a way that brings balance to your entire life. Yoga isn't just for flexibility, but for a happier, healthier you. It's a practice that welcomes all ages, all body types, and all experience levels. Whether you're stepping onto the mat for the first time or you've been practicing for years, yoga meets you exactly where you are. Let's break down the top 5 benefits that make yoga a must-try for anyone wanting to feel their best, inside and out. First up, yoga boosts your flexibility. You might think yoga is only for the super bendy, but that's not true at all. Flexibility is something you build over time, and yoga is one of the safest, most effective ways to do it. You don't have to twist into a pretzel. Just a few gentle stretches can help loosen tight muscles and ease those daily aches. Over time, you'll notice you can reach further, move more freely, and even sit more comfortably at your desk or in your car. Improved flexibility also means fewer injuries and better posture, which can make a huge difference in your everyday life. Even if you can't touch your toes today, with regular practice, you'll be amazed at what your body can do. Every small improvement is a win. Number 2, yoga melts away stress. In our busy, always-on world, stress can sneak up on us and take a toll on our health. Yoga gives you a chance to slow down, breathe deeply, and let go of tension. Through deep breathing and mindful movement, yoga helps calm your mind, lower anxiety, and even improve your mood. Studies show that people who practice yoga regularly report feeling less stressed and more at ease, both during class and throughout their day. It's like giving your mind a mini vacation, even if you only have 10 minutes to spare. The more you practice, the easier it becomes to find calm in the chaos. Think of it as a reset button for your day. Third, yoga builds strength, not just in your arms and legs, but in your core, your back, and even the tiny stabilizing muscles you didn't know you had. Holding simple poses works your muscles in ways you might not expect. Poses like plank, warrior, and chair challenge your body to support itself, building lean muscle and endurance. You don't need heavy weights or fancy equipment, just your own body and a willingness to try. Over time, you'll notice more tone, better balance, and extra energy, even outside of class. Yoga's strength-building benefits help you move with confidence, whether you're carrying groceries, playing with your kids, or going for a hike. Number 4, better sleep. If you struggle to fall asleep or stay asleep, yoga can help. Just a short evening routine can help you fall asleep faster and sleep more soundly. Say goodbye to tossing and turning. Gentle stretches and calming breathwork before bed signal to your body that it's time to unwind, making it easier to drift off and wake up feeling refreshed. Many people find that even a few minutes of yoga at night can transform their sleep quality, helping them wake up with more energy and a clearer mind. And finally, yoga is for everyone. No matter your age, background, or fitness level, there's a style and pace just for you. From gentle restorative classes to dynamic flows, yoga adapts to your needs. Whether you're young or old, a beginner or an athlete, yoga welcomes you. You can start slow, modify poses, and progress at your own pace. There's no competition, just your own journey. Yoga teachers are trained to help you find what works for your body, so you always feel supported and encouraged. You can practice at home, in a park, or with friends, no fancy gear required. All you need is a mat, some comfortable clothes, and a willingness to try something new. So why not give yoga a try? You might be surprised at how quickly you start to feel the benefits, both physically and mentally. Set a small goal, maybe 5 minutes a day, and see how it feels. Remember, every practice is progress, no matter how short or simple. Just a few minutes each day can make a real difference in your body and mind. Over time, you'll notice more energy, less stress, and a greater sense of well-being. Hit that like button if you're ready to start your yoga journey, and share this with a friend who could use a little more zen. Let's spread the benefits of yoga together. This is Healthville. See you on the mat. Remember, your journey starts with a single breath. Namaste.